What's up guys, Emmanuel here checking in with another YouTube video. I went ahead and I ordered the carbon fiber replacement mirror caps for my 2019 Honda Civic Hatchback, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing video and how to install video. So yeah, check it out guys. Just got the box here and I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Ordered these on eBay. I'll go ahead and leave links in case you want to go ahead and purchase these yourself, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox them. They were about $100 and it took a little less than a week to get here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what these look like. It said it was 100% real carbon fiber. Let's see, let's take a look. Get rid of that box. They come packaged, a lot of bubble wrap. So yeah, it took a little less than a week to get here, and wow, these look nice. Woo. Yes, they do. Let's see. Means I don't know where they're made. Might be made in Taiwan. You know, these say Honda on them. So yeah, there you have it guys. These are the carbon fiber replacement mirror caps. I'm gonna go take them outside and show you guys what they look like in the sunlight. And we're outside. Here they are. It said it's 100% real carbon fiber, and if you look inside here, it says Honda. They look really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So basically, it has these two little clips here. I think you push up and you pull out, and that's how you take off the ones that are on there. So I have a screwdriver, these two pick tools. This folds this way. Push this up like this. I'm just gonna get underneath this here with these two tools, and I'm just gonna pull up. There we go. And there you have it. That's how you take it off. And set this right here. These two clips right here. Take my flat head. Okay. So I can kind of see the clip right there. Just don't know if I'm supposed to pull down or up. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, mate? Pull down. Pull up. What else feels I'm gonna break this? Sorry guys, these were fighting me. So basically it took me like freaking 10 minutes to do this. So basically you pull this forward, it has these two little tabs right here. You push these up with this, put them up, and then this goes down and you pull it. It's kind of scary because it feels like you're gonna break it, but yeah, that was just took me a while to figure that out. It was my first time doing it. First time taking these off, but yeah, this is off now. Go ahead and install the carbon fiber one. So I think they're on. Yep, that one's on. This one is... just gonna whack it. Bottom one is on, so yeah. Go ahead and put the mirror back on here. Show you guys how to install the passenger side, which should go a lot smoother than this one because I've already figured out and know how to do it. For the last install of the other side, the GoPro overheated on me and it shut off. And now I'm gonna do this side. All you have to do is pull this forward, get under here, and pull up. Should pop up like that. And go ahead and set this right here. The clips, one right here, one right here. Clips, one right here, one right here. You take your screwdriver and you push up, push up, And then it has another one that's right here. And you stick your screwdriver, and then that one you're gonna pull down, and then you're just gonna pull out. Pull down and pull. This little clip here, if we can focus, stuck and I couldn't get it out, but there it is. The clips are in all the way. That one's good. Looks to be good too. The mirror, these little things right here, that kind of snap into place. Get these as straight as you can. Ball joint, kind of, it goes in there, little socket goes in there. And then when these go in, you will hear them kind of like stretching as they move because they snap. If you hear that popping noise, that means those little two that have the threads on them are in. It'll move like that. That's how you install these mirrors. Go ahead and walk around. It's kind of dirty. So there you guys have it. That was the install of the carbon fiber replacement mirror caps for my 2019 Honda Civic Hatchback. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later, dude.